You go hard every time you're at the gym, but your gains is just not showing that? Bought those 1-month 6-pack ab workout plans only to notice no standout changes since day one. Now, I'm no doctor yet. However, I've been in the fitness game for a while now, and even though you might go crazy in the gym, your gains might not reflect that all the time. Why is that? I've had to learn the hard way that the split actually leans more to the nutrition side than it does with the hours in the gym. 80% of the muscle building process is made up of our nutrition value, and the comparatively low 20% is valued at the hours in the gym. So are you ready to learn the key nutrition tips that will help you build muscle and achieve your fitness goals faster than ever before? Grab a pen and paper because you're going to want to take notes on these 10 powerful tips. Let's dive in. Don't forget about your vitamins and minerals. All the focus is on the protein, and people tend to forget about their essential vitamins. They simply don't get enough credit as they should, especially when it comes to muscle growth, as they play a crucial role in muscle function. Vitamin D has numerous health benefits, from keeping our bones and teeth healthy to potentially even protecting against diseases such as diabetes and certain types of cancer. New studies even suggest people who had a higher lean mass and muscle mass also had higher levels of active vitamin D. This suggests that active vitamin D may help to optimize muscle strength. Eat a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole foods to meet your nutrient needs, or you can even try to ensure to soak up some sunlight or consider taking a supplement. Don't skip on the carbs. They help replenish glycogen stores so you have the energy needed to fuel your workouts and recover afterwards. Opt for complex carbs such as whole grains and sweet potatoes. In addition, carbs help prevent muscle loss, as consuming enough healthy carbs, with the majority as complex carbs, will provide the energy required to optimize physical performance for resistance training, allowing you to maximize muscle growth. As a good source of carbs, breakfast cereals with at least 2 grams of fiber per serving can be converted into good off-season bodybuilding foods. Fiber slows digestion, making cereal a good source of energy that can be eaten at any time. For the best results, double the serving size, mix in 1 rounded scoop of whey protein and enough milk to bring the carb content to about 60 grams and the protein content to 30 grams. Healthy fats are necessary for hormone production and joint health. Avocados, nuts, and olive oil are great sources of these fats. Healthy fats are not the enemy. Fats are not only essential in the diet, but they can actually help you build more lean muscle mass. Learn how fats work to complement strength training and support your muscle gains. It's going to take some practice. Start from the basics, then begin to work your way up. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water to maintain muscle function and prevent dehydration during workouts. When it comes to muscle growth and strength gains, hydration is critical. This is because water is essential for protein synthesis, the process by which our bodies build muscle tissue. Protein synthesis requires water to transport nutrients to our muscles, and without adequate hydration, this process can be impaired. Dehydration can have a significant impact on strength training, leading to decreased strength, muscle cramps, and impaired muscle recovery. Protein. Now, this is not your first, your second, or even your third time hearing about this macronutrient, but it is certainly one to bring up. It is essential for muscle growth and repair. Make sure to include lean sources of protein like chicken, fish, and tofu in your meals. To build muscle, aim for around 0.7 grams of protein per pound or 1.6 grams per kilogram of body weight each day. That will do the job for most people. There's no reason you can't eat more. If anything, I'd rather err on the side of eating a little too much rather than not enough. Protein is made up of amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of your muscles and body. Without them, it would be impossible to build, repair, or even maintain muscle tissue. Protein is made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Having a sufficient amount of protein will put you in a positive nitrogen balance, or an anabolic state. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound found in small quantities in some foods, but it can also be taken as a supplement. Why? Because it has been scientifically proven to have numerous benefits for muscle growth. First and foremost, creatine helps you produce more adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, which is the primary energy source for your muscles during high-intensity exercise. By increasing your ATP levels, creatine allows you to push harder, lift heavier, and maximize your training potential. But that's not all. Creatine also promotes increased water content in your muscle cells, leading to a phenomenon called cell volumization. This gives your muscles a fuller, more pumped appearance and enhances protein synthesis, which is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Consult with a healthcare professional for the correct dosage. Did you know that the timing of your meals can greatly impact your muscle growth potential? It's true. By strategically planning your meals throughout the day, you can take advantage of the body's natural processes to fuel muscle development. Fueling your body with a protein-rich meal first thing in the morning helps kickstart muscle protein synthesis. As the day progresses, your muscles continue to need nourishment. That's where your mid-morning snack comes in. Opt for a combination of protein and carbohydrates to provide sustained energy and support muscle recovery. Lunchtime is crucial for maintaining muscle growth. A balanced meal with lean protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs will keep your energy levels stable and help prevent muscle breakdown. Now let's talk about the golden hour, the post-workout period. This is when your muscles are primed to absorb nutrients and kickstart the recovery process. Fast-digesting proteins such as whey protein, combined with a source of carbohydrates like fruit, will replenish glycogen stores and promote muscle repair. So there you have it, the 7 secret nutrition facts to build muscle like never before. Incorporate these hacks into your diet and witness the transformation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Muscle Matters. Stay resilient and see you next time.